Update number 1, Mars in concert, one night only. Stay around to the very end of the video for another planet story. Oh, I can't believe we were almost late. It's fine, we're here, we've got great seats. All right. Hey guys. Excuse me. Hello, oh great seats, great seats. Hey Earth, hey Mercury. Hey. Are you kidding me? Here, get up here. Hello everyone. Hey Mars. Welcome to my concert. I'm pretty nervous. Is that popcorn? Put that away. I'm nervous, but I'm ready to do this. You got this. Thank you. Psst, Earth, pass the popcorn. I did it! You did it! Woo! Yay! Yay! Woo! Bravo! Bravo! Thanks, guys. Hi, everybody. It's me, Kylie. Did you enjoy that planet story? I sure liked making it for you. And now we're in the studio together so I can show you how to make your very own Play-Doh planets. Here are the supplies you need. Pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and some Play-Doh. I could only find this kind of old white Play-Doh, but I thought maybe we could, you know, dye it different colors and stuff, and that would work just fine. Oh. Does this ever happen to you? You end up with a container of just all this different leftover colors? All right, it's okay. I heard of this trick. Let's try it. Just kind of squash it all together. Make your pipe cleaner into a bit of a wand, and let's make it. Fresh Play-Doh! Yes! Is there anything better than this? I don't know if there is. I don't know if there is. Ta-da! You don't need fresh Play-Doh or all of these colors to make these Play-Doh planets with me. In fact, you don't even need to go to the store. Here's a recipe to make your own Play-Doh at home. Dye it whatever color you want. You could use liquid watercolor or food dye. All right, let's get rolling. Literally rolling. You'll see. I'm gonna start with the planet Mercury. So I'm gonna use white and black Play-Doh to make different values of the shade of gray. Value just means how light to dark something is. Watch. If white is the lightest value and black is the darkest value, there's lots of values in between. Let's put this value of gray right in the middle. I can make it a little bit lighter by adding more white. This is called making a tint. I can make it a little darker by adding more black. This is called making a shade. There we go. Now we have grays of different values, from lightest to darkest. I'm gonna mash up these different hues and roll Mercury into a sphere. So cute! Let's make some craters. I'm gonna take little bits of this dark gray I made, roll them into even smaller balls, and bloop, flatten. I love this planet. It's the first one in our solar system and the first one we made together today. Now this Mercury is super cool. I love it. But you know what I think would be a great addition? Some little Mercury arms and maybe some googly eyes. Can't forget the googly eyes. It's too cute! For the planet Venus, I'm gonna use yellow and white, and I'm gonna make some tints of yellow so that we can have different values of that color to roll this baby up. Now I'm gonna mix up these values of yellow into Venus. Welcome, Venus! Hey, Mercury. The planet Earth. This time, instead of going from white to black, I'm gonna go from light blue to dark blue. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of pure white for some clouds. Great. Ooh, that is so pretty. Now I'm just gonna add some green for continents. Earth! Let's make Earth a little character. Earth's here, yes! Mars is known as the red planet, but there are some tan parts to Mars too. So I'm actually gonna do kind of a complicated gradient, but I know that you and I can handle it. A gradient is when one or more colors fade gradually into the next color. I'm gonna go white to brown to red to black. Ooh, all those different hues paid off. This looks incredible. Great concert earlier, Mars. Next is our biggest planet, Jupiter. So I'm going to be making some different shades and tints of the color brown, and then I'm gonna add the best part, the red spot. Rolling up Jupiter. I'm gonna put the eyes on first and then decide where the red spot should go. I love googly eyes. How about right here? Yep, 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 yep. Hey, inner planets! Next up is Saturn. This one's gonna be fun because we get to make a ring. Look at this crazy gradient. White, light orange, dark orange, purple to white again? Yeah, we can do this. Check this out. White to orange to purple, back to white again. Now Saturn needs a ring. To do that, I'm gonna roll out a coil. Real ceramicists who make different vessels like cups and bowls or different sculptures out of clay use making coils as a hand building technique. We are also going to use it today as a planet building technique. Start with a ball, put it on your table, and roll it out. You're making a big long snake. To make sure it's nice and even, roll your hand all the way from the bottom of your hand to the tips of your fingers. You're applying a little bit of pressure every time, so it pushes that clay out, 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 making it longer and longer. As it gets longer, you can spread out your fingers to make sure you're putting equal pressure on the coil so that the coil is nice and even. If it gets too thin in an area like this, oh no, no big deal. Just take it, combine it, and roll again. Now I'm gonna add my coil all the way around the circumference, that means like the belt of my planet Saturn. Here we go. And welcome Saturn! Now we're getting to our ice giants. I'm gonna pretend that my Play-Doh's really cold for this one. Ooh. I love the colors in the planet Uranus. A beautiful blue planet. Ooh, I knew it got cooler in here. And now that beautiful dark blue, freezing cold planet, Neptune. I'm gonna use some of the blues I mixed up for Uranus and Earth, and then this dark blue, straight from the can. Let's do it. Welcome to the solar system, Neptune. We're all here, whoop whoop. We made all the planets together. Now that they're all complete and you know how to make them at home, do you wanna play one more story together? Do you guys? Yep. It's unanimous. Let's do it. Story number 2, Mercury's special look. Thanks for coming to the mall with me today, Earth. I just want to be more special, like you know? You have water and land. I'm just rocks. Okay, I'll give you my honest opinion. Okay, that's all I want. Okay, how about this? Yeehaw! I'm a cowboy. No. Okay, no problem. How about this? Very dramatic. Maybe a little too dramatic for you. No problem. Artsy, huh? Artsy, but not you. All right, and how about this? Are you dressed up like Hash Brown the dog? Yeah, cool, huh? Let me try. just look like me. That's right, because you are perfect, just as you are. If you want to make more things with me, just search for my channel, Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. I'll see you soon.